Hey guys, it's Friday evening. I getting ready to put the seals in. Got the front two in, and the place ordered me the wrong seals. Look at that, and this thing's got all sorts of play. So I have to get a hold of them and have them send me the correct ones. I actually got the part number off the one, so hopefully they can get the right ones sooner than later. I want to show you guys, we got our new fans for our motors for 2022. Race fans. You can check them out at www.race-fan.com. These fans, they're awesome. Last year was the first year we ran them. What's nice about it, they got 15, 17, and 19-inch fans. What's nice about them is all the blades are replaceable. So if you break one, nick one, or shroud goes into it, radiator goes into it, instead of buying the whole fan, you can buy the blades, which I believe they're like $7 or $8 a piece. That's a lot cheaper than buying the whole fan. And the other cool thing is, depending on like the weather, you can change the blade configuration. You can go with a 2-blade, 3-blade, 4-blade, or a 6-blade with these. So definitely make sure to check them out. A great company. But yeah, getting ready to sand the bus frame. Hoping tomorrow morning to be able to finish coating the front with the 415 and then do the second coat of the 415 on that, and then hopefully get one coat of the top coat on, and then put the other top coat on, the last top coat on Sunday morning. But there's where we're at. Let's get going. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning. We got partial, about half sanded, scuffed up of what we painted before. We need to finish scuffing the rest of it, and then finish painting the front, and then we'll go through and put the whole second coat of the 415 on. And then I'm hoping today to be able to do that and get first coat of the top coat on. And hopefully tomorrow morning to get the second coat of top coat, and we'll be all done painting the frame. We'll move on to the fun stuff, putting the hubs back on, calipers all on, brake lines, airbags, air lines. The list goes on, but let's get to it. Hey guys, it's Sunday morning, Halloween. We got 2 coats of the 415 on. We got it all scuffed, getting ready to put the first coat of the top coat on. We got to put 2 coats of that on, and then we'll be all done painting the frame. Can't wait to see what it looks like. It looked real good actually before we scuffed it with just the 2 415s on, so it should look awesome. So let's get to it. Well, we got the 2 coats of the top coat on. Looks excellent. Just gotta let it dry. I'm gonna take the kids trick-or-treating now, so got it done just in time. So
what do they want from me? Going country. Yeah, they love me up there and down there too. When I'm doing the shows, all of the roads, man, they be going so crazy.
hey guys, it's Monday night. Got the new seals, the right ones. But yeah, they look like they're right. So I guess we'll get them in the 2 hubs. I got the 2 front ones. They're already in. Pretty much ready to go on. Got the bearing in here. Says the lube up the outer rings. They actually got a rubber ring around the outside. I normally put silicone around it, but with the rubber, I think it'll seal just fine. We'll put a little lube on her. I don't got the bearing driver, but I'll find something to work. But pretty much, set her in there and square it up, and make sure your bearing's in there. Find some. Actually, looks like a grinding disc could probably work pretty good. Actually. That. Hammer. Trying to make sure we're square. There we go. Just like that. Got that one done. Alright, hey guys, so we got all the seals and the bearings on the back side of all the hubs, so they're actually ready to put on. Actually cleaning up the axles now. I just cleaned that one up and painted it. And so we're doing this one. Do a little carb cleaner on her and get all or brake clean, I guess I should say. Get all the old silicone off them, so you can paint them all up with Rust-Oleum 2X paint. We'll be ready to install. I had to do some research on the brake pads. I guess they made 2 different caliper sizes. One was a 73mm and one was a 66. After doing some research, I found out go by the casting number, and they're 66s. So now I can get the pads ordered up, get them coming, and once they're coming, get them on. Still got I got a Pour 15 brake caliper paint kit too. I got to clean those up and get those all painted, and then they'll all be ready to put on. We'll be rolling, get all the brake lines on, and we'll have some brakes. Hey guys, it's Wednesday night. Figure we get the calipers all cleaned up. Our pads aren't supposed to be here till next Wednesday, so I figured I'd get these all done. And we'll get the hubs all on. And then we'll run all the brake lines, so when the pads come, we're all ready to bleed the brakes and move on. We'll replace all the air lines and all the fittings and all that stuff too, as well as put the airbags in and the new shocks. But let's get to cleaning these calipers.
Do they want for me?
Thursday night. We're gonna get the hubs on. That's our goal for tonight. I got the calipers all 4 of them are all done, clean, painted. So yeah, let's get these hubs on. I got this hub all on. Just got to get the axle in it, and then the brake pads on when they come, and the caliper back on. Still got the other 3 to go, but I figured we'd end this week's video here. Just make sure you guys like the channel, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Just make sure you come back next time. Until then, we'll see you.